Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible. As always, got just a few screenshots to show on the screen. Sorry, I'm not showing my face. Um, I haven't actually gotten ready for today. I slept in. I never do that. I feel I deserved it. Maybe that's me being biased. Sorry. Anyways, as you can see in these screenshots, my channel and myself is being attacked again. And even though we know exactly who it is, it's just sad that this person has to get people as well as create fake accounts to comment on my videos to try to make me look bad. And the names are always weird names, like none of these people have ever signed up for my services. And it's obvious that it's either Andre, Tammy, or somebody that they're having do it for them, because they're all commenting within minutes apart. I mean, come on. And I never get these types of comments on my channel until now. I said it last night and I'll say it again. We are here to stay. We're not going anywhere. Please don't compare us to you. We do not scam people. We are not frauds. We're doing everything the right way. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope everybody has a great day.